Okay guys, tonight's dinner, it is Friday night, family night, crock pot. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we have crock pot dinners and I love it. So lemon, pepper, chicken. We were cooking this on low for 4 hours and I don't know what we're gonna serve with it.
You're supposed to be like, bam, welcome to the new work week, people, or welcome to the new
first vlog. I'm sorry I let you down.
Dude. I don't know, what is it?
Lemon pepper chicken salad sounds good. Let's have salad with this.
Salad or something, yeah.
And some rice. I don't know. We'll see how it comes together tonight, guys. Bye.
Night.
Bye.
All right, peoples. Friday night dinner is done. So, not a lot left in here. Got some lemons left. We were going to do rice. Kids asked for pasta, so we did pasta and sticks. We've been eating a lot of rice. Got the standard salad fixings there. Got cucumber, avocados, sunflower seeds, salad, and whatever, carrots. So here's what it looks like all dolled up. I went ahead and got myself something real nice, Clark. Got myself a little treat, and that was some Lighthouse Thousand Island dressing. So, oh man, that's going to be so good. But anyway, that's what's for dinner on Friday night. Later. So it's official. Today's somebody's
old birthday.
All right, guys. So let me tell you a story. Friday night. Yeah, we were out doing our thing. I don't know what we were doing. I don't remember. But it was pizza and salad night, right?
Yeah.
Pizza and salad. Perfect.
No, that was Saturday because we took dinner there.
Today's Sunday. Today's Monday. Oh my gosh, dude.
Dad, you can do this.
Saturday we were out running around taking dinners to people and we did pizza and salad. Last night, Sunday night, well, you guys aren't gonna be able to see it. We did pad thai, chicken pad thai. Had a dead battery. Didn't get to vlog any of it, so you guys have seen it a couple times, so it was chicken pad thai. So tonight we're gonna hit you with lots of footage because it's the big birthday. So we've got, this is how we do birthdays. So you've got the cupcakes there, and then what we do is we'll spend, I don't know, probably about as much as I guess as it costs to go out, but we have it at home so we can relax and whatnot.
I still think we're saving money.
We probably are, but we're gonna have enough food for dinner tomorrow night too. Yeah. So, let me get out, I forgot to get out the, so, what we got is we got the smoker rolling, and we've got the smoker rolling, and we've got, really, now she's got high. We've got the smoker rolling with taters on that. It's been out there for, I don't know, half hour, 40 minutes, so we're gonna go throw the meat on. We're going with Costco New Yorks tonight. There's 4 of them. We probably eat 2 of them, so 2 of them will be dinners tomorrow. Our SOP asparagus there, get down low and slow, look at that, just a pinch of garlic, got that going on. I'll put my seasoning on the steaks and a little bit on here, and then we're gonna top it off with some shrimp for steak and shrimps for dinner. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, we got potatoes, steaks, asparagus, shrimp, cupcakes, and a partridge in a pear tree. I don't know about that.
This is the last birthday that you have to celebrate.
Yeah, there's a dry spell till what, November? September, yeah, you know, one of our kids is in September. All right, guys, let's get this on the grill later. We are all smoked up here, so we've got we got 1.5 of the 4 steaks left over, so that's that. We got taters. I did a sweet potato here. She already ate it. Regular potatoes, asparagus, the shrimp here on the smoker. So basically you get a plate that looks something like that. Little tater, little meat, little pink there, little shrimps.
This is the perfect meal.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Thank you. I'm a steak
meat and taters.
Meat and taters kind of girl. Let me know if you are too. It's good. So
that's it for, well, that and that. But we're not going to show you that because you've already seen that. So there's the cupcakes. So that wraps up today's dinner. Monday. That's what we're having for dinner on Monday later. What's going on, Kink Neck McGee?
Fine.
How's that neck doing?
Good. I just put my makeup on and then I went to bed.
Alright guys, it is Tuesday night and we are just having leftovers. So we are having leftover pad thai.
Looking good.
And leftover steak.
I love leftover night.
Steak.
What is your favorite?
Asparagus and taters.
Night, people.
Yeah, what's your favorite leftovers that you guys have, right? So that's
Gotta
it.
be like good leftovers.
And look at that. That is a
You know,
professional plating right there.
Not all leftovers are created equal. I'm just saying.
That's right. That's right. So we are just shoveling there, and that's what you get for dinner tonight on Tuesday night, people.
Wednesday. I was just joshing you.
I don't think that's funny. I think that's funny. So, all right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Fresh dinner tomorrow, promise. Later.
Okay, guys, we are doing Wednesday night dinners, and I have a crock pot freezer dinner. It's way over here. Let's see. This is crock pot. That's what CP is. Mushroom barley stew. I need to add veggie stock to it. It just was like a meatless dinner, which was awesome. But then we had the stew meat in our freezer that we needed to use up. So I pulled that out, and I'm gonna put my veggie stock in there. This recipe is from the family freezer, guys. All of our freezer dinners that we're pretty much making is from the family freezer. So we'll put the link down below. Tell Kelly hi and that we sent you guys if you do join. It is, I think I bought, a ton of recipes for like $29. So we will be set for life off of her bundle that we got. So okay, you guys, into the pool. It's a brand new crock pot. I'm so excited. It's the first time we've used it. It was like 12 bucks off at Costco, right? Some of you know this feeling. Our old crock pot, I think, was like 4 or 5 years old. You saw it. It was dented really bad. So we were at Costco, and this was suckers 12 bucks off. And I'm like, that's good enough for me. So here we go, Wednesday night dinner.
What's going on, peoples?
And you're like,
I come home and look what we got all dressed to impress here.
came out super good.
That looks delicious,
I just
kid.
want to make sure that it is
Done?
Yeah.
I don't know, that one chunk of meat's got like a little red action going on it.
Let me see.
That could be just tomato action. So did you tell them what it is?
I did.
Nice. All right, peoples, we're back in the saddle here. There it is. Look at that action. Get a little slow action going on there.
Even the steam.
So it is done, and that is what is for dinner on, I don't know, what's today, Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Thanks for cooking, Ma.
You're welcome.
Looks
babe.
delicious.
Well, thanks for prepping. Even when I pulled it out of the bag, it smelled amazing.
Did it?
Yeah.
All right, let's get on it. Later, people. What's going on, guys? So it is the end of the week for the food vlog. So for some of you, it's still got tomorrow. Some of us, you don't. Whatever. So it is the end of the week for us. And so tonight we are doing the leftover, I forgot what that's
Beef
called.
and barley stew.
Beef and barley stew.
Added meat.
With added meat. So there it is, all dolled up, dressed and pressed. So that's pretty much it for dinner. Pretty cut and dry of last night. So what do you call that? A duplicate of last night? Mm-hmm. So that's it, kid. Let's wrap this up.
This week we were off a little bit, you guys, with the sicknesses and stuff.
Yeah, we've had a house full of sickies.
T has an appointment first thing in the morning.
He's got a nasty cough.
Not doing so well.
So,
but thank you guys for watching. Yep. Let us know what you cooked this week, because your ideas might be better than ours.
Why don't you close this one out and you say everything, and I'll just stand here and look good. Okay?
We're always happy on Thursday nights because he's off on Fridays.
Yeah.
It's our Friday.
Yeah.
So anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up if you love this video. And stay tuned because we have more. We have a lot of things going on for Dead is Dumb, you guys. Like our newsletter.
Let's just say we got a pot of stew boiling of all kinds of goodies.
Well, we need you to help us. Tell us what you need from us.
There you go.
Anyway, go sign up to our newsletter because there's all kinds of good conversations going back and forth. I will put that link down below, or he will in the description box.
And check out the website.
And yeah, if you go to the website, deadisdumb.com, there'll be a little box. That's the newsletter box. Am I pulling your shirt?
Yeah, you're like pulling me down, man.
Sorry.
All right, guys, we will see you tomorrow, I guess, but we'll see you next week. Later. Bye.